Welcome back to Legal Genie, your trusted source for breaking down complex legal topics. In today's episode, we delve into landmark cases that have significantly influenced the interpretation and application of the Memorandum of Association, or MOA, in India. Understanding these cases is crucial for anyone involved in corporate law or company management. Let's get started. The Memorandum of Association, MOA, outlines the fundamental and essential elements of a company, such as its name, registered office address, objectives, authorized share capital, and the liability of its members. It delineates the company's scope of activities and serves as a guide for its internal operations. Our first case is Ashbury Railway Carriage and Iron Company Ltd v Riche, a cornerstone in company law. This 1875 case established the doctrine of ultra vires, meaning beyond the powers. The company's MOA specified certain activities, but they entered into a contract beyond these stated objectives. Fact: Ashbury Railway Carriage and Iron Company Ltd engaged in activities not mentioned in their MOA. Issue: whether the contract was binding since it was outside the company's stated objectives. Decision: the House of Lords ruled that any action outside the MOA's stated objectives is ultra-virus and void. The significance of this ruling cannot be overstated. It underscored that companies must strictly adhere to their MOA, ensuring they operate within their legal capacity. Next, we have Rayala Corporation Pvt Ltd v Director of Income Tax, decided by the Supreme Court of India in 2016. This case highlights the importance of interpreting the MOA in harmony with statutory provisions. The company claimed deductions under the Income Tax Act for activities purportedly aligned with its MOA. The issue was whether the activities were indeed within the scope defined by the MOA. The court held that the MOA must be interpreted in a manner consistent with statutory requirements, ensuring the company's activities comply with the law. This ruling emphasized that the MOA cannot be used to bypass statutory obligations or engage in prohibited activities, reinforcing the need for compliance with broader legal frameworks. Our third case is Sterling Computers Ltd v MSM and N Publications Ltd, decided in 1993. This case affirmed the public nature of the MOA and the need for transparency. A dispute arose over the interpretation of the company's objectives as stated in the MOA. The issue was whether the MOA's provisions could be accessed and scrutinized by external parties. The court ruled that the MOA is a public document, available for inspection by anyone, ensuring transparency in the company's stated objectives and activities. This case reinforced that the MOA is not just an internal document, but a public one, promoting accountability and transparency. Finally, we discuss Messer Holdings Ltd v Shyam Madanmohan Ruia, a 2019 Supreme Court case that dealt with the misuse of the MOA to evade statutory duties. Messer Holdings attempted to use the MOA to justify actions that evaded statutory requirements. The issue was whether the MOA could be used to circumvent legal obligations. The court held that the MOA cannot be used to avoid statutory responsibilities, ensuring that companies operate within the legal framework. This ruling highlighted that while the MOA is crucial, it cannot override statutory obligations. Companies must ensure their actions are within both their MOA and the law. In conclusion, understanding these landmark cases helps clarify the legal boundaries within which companies must operate. The Memorandum of Association is not just a formal document, but a legal compass guiding a company's actions. Thanks for joining us on this journey through pivotal case laws related to the MOA. Stay tuned to Legal Genie for more insightful legal discussions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates.